What is going on? We are live. It is 4:07 Eastern Standard, because all y'all apparently live out in California. Here's our list: Steve, Philip, Madison, Matthew, and then pretty much Madison and Steven the rest of the way down. Matthew grabbing 19. All right. We need at least a 5. 8 will do. There we go. Good luck. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Madison on the top. Madison on the bottom. Final roll. 408. Just turned 409. Let's go back. Alright, guys, here we go. Winner's choice. Boom. Steve Pittman. Congratulations, man.